Good day everyone, my name is Opeyemi. I welcome you all to this tutorial video. In this video, I will be explaining into details how we can develop a blog website from scratch. How we can do it from start even as a new beginner. What do we mean by blogging? A blogging website is a website where you post useful content, videos every day to enlighten people about something they might have interest in. Might be news, might be entertainment, might be tech blogging, and so on. There are a lot of blogging out there, so you just have to choose a niche. So before we could create a blog website, so before anything, let's log into our WordPress dashboard. Before you could get here, you should have buy your domain name and hosting. So let me just log in. So I will have to log in with my username and password. Login. Can you see this is our WordPress dashboard? Can you see? We have posts, media, pages, and so on. So this is where we set our blog website. Here, settings. This is where we set it. So just click on general. Can you see? You can give your website a name, but let me just leave this for now. You can give it a name. Let me put learn with me. So scroll down. Do you see this membership? If it is your blog and you want anyone to register, check it, and if it is not, leave it unchecked. So this is my blog. Let me just check it. If you want your new user to be a subscriber, auto editor, and all that, this is where I change it, but let's just leave it as subscriber. Scroll down. Do you see this time? Of course, we are in Nigeria and our time zone should be UTC +1. Let's look for it. Easy. Good. So at this site language, let's leave it at English United States. So let's leave it that way. Then scroll down. This week starts on, if you want your week starts on Sunday, you check it. If you want it to start on Monday, you check it. So let me just put Monday, then save changes. Our changes is saved. So let's go to reading. This is our reading. Since we are setting up a blog, leave it at your latest post. Leave it here. Leave it at your latest post. This is a blog website, not an ordinary website. Then let us scroll down. This search engine visibility. Discourage search engines from indexing this site. It is up to search engines to honor this request. Let's just check it since we are just starting. Let's check it now. I will explain this later. So save changes. Then scroll down. We have permalinks. Click on it. Can you see? You have to leave it at post names. So this is how it will appear. Our URL, this is how it will appear. Let's put it on post names. After clicking on post names, just save your changes. Make sure you save all changes. So now let's go to discussion. Can you see? You don't have to play much on this area. This place, comment author must fill out name and email. Let's uncheck it because they don't have to be writing their mail and email before they could comment on our blog website. So scroll down. So comments must be manually approved. So comments, let's click on comments must be manually approved. That is, the admin must approve it, because some people are crazy. They just have to post rubbish on your blog. So I think that is all. Scroll down. Okay, this default avatar, let me just choose avatar logo. It's a default page. So let's click on save changes. So we need a theme and a plugin to continue with our website. As we all know that the foundation of WordPress website is the plugins and the themes. So now we want to install our themes. So go to appearance. Can you see appearance? Click on appearance. Click on appearance. Then click on add new. There are a lot of themes here. Let's go to filter. Then click on blog. Apply filter. Can you see? It will bring all those related themes for us to choose one. Can you see? So I think I have a template that I intend to use. It's called Newsway. Let me just look for it. Newsway. Oh, it's here. So just install it. Click on install. Can you see it's installed already? But before we could activate it, we need a plugin. So go to plugin. We need the first plugin that we need is contact form. So let's add new contact form. Can you see? So let's just choose this. Let's install contact form 7. Good. So before we could activate it again, we need a plugin called insert header and footer. Let's click on add new. So another plugin that we need is called header and footer. So let's search for it. Header and footer. Let's look for it. So another plugin we need is insert header and footer. So let's search for it. Then let's choose the one with the highest rank. This one is 1 million plus. This one is 100 plus. I think I will go for this. So let's install. So we need another one called Yoast SEO. This is used for our search engine. Yoast SEO. So let's look for it. Can you see? Click on install. Let's just hold on for it. It's loading. so it is installed. Another plugin we need is WP Super Cache. Here is the plugin. Click on install. Can you see it? So let's just activate it. Click on activate. Can you see it is activated? So let's go ahead and activate the other ones. We want to activate this. Activate classic editor. Let's activate click to chat if you want them to contact you through your WhatsApp icon. Let's activate contact form. Let's activate Elementor. So click on WP Super Cache, then scroll down. Is there anything else? Yes. Click on use SEO, then WP forms. No, I think we install contact form there. There's contact. Oh, we don't need WP form since we have contact form. So let's delete it. We deleted this. So scroll up. We don't need hello dolly. We don't need it. Delete it. Scroll up. So click on bulk action, then click on activate, then apply. So if you activate those ones that we've clicked, to activate it, and you see it is already activated. So let's go and view our site. Visit your site. Let's scroll down. So can you see how our site looks like? We need to activate our themes. We only installed it, we've not activated it. So let's go back to our dashboard and activate our theme. Go to appearance, click on themes, the one we installed. Scroll down. So this is the one we installed the other time. So click on activate. So our theme is already activated. So let's visit our site. Can you see how beautiful it is? We need to reset everything. Can you see this is just the template of what we wanted to do? Can you see? So let me just put us how we can add menu to our website. Those menu that appears up here. Let me just show you an example of the menu from this website. This is an example of a menu. Can you see? So we want to add it on our website too. We want to add it here. So go to your dashboard, go to appearance, click on menu. So can you see? You have to put it here. Create your first menu below. What menu do we want to create? We want to create our header menu. We have header menu and we have footer menu. So footer menu, header menu are always on our primary menu. That is, they are always on top of our website. While footer menu is at the down part of our website. So this is the primary menu. This is the header menu. Then let's scroll down. This is a footer menu. Can you see? So let's go back to our website. So I would like to name it header menu. Let me super paste. Header menu. Can you see? So click on primary menu. Click on create menu. So click on save menu. Our menu is saved. So let us try to create our categories and add to our menu. and also we create our pages and add to menu as well. So go to appearance, then go to menus, so click on save menu, Now let's create our categories and add them to menu, and also create pages and add to menu as well. So go to your dashboard, let's go to our dashboard, then go to posts, look at our post here, click on categories. So let's create our category, let's say politics, then this log should be in small letter so that it will be a bit different from each other. It should be in small letter. Then scroll down, click on add to category, add new category, click on add new category. As you can see, our category is added already. Can you see it's added already? So here, articles business, I've already created these categories so that it will assist us to be very fast in this video. So I will just create 2 categories. So if you intend in creating 10, 15 and all that, you will be able to create it on your own. So let's go down, we've add new category. Let's create another category again. So let me say marketplace. Let me say marketplace. Of course, this place should be in a small letter. This place, this log, marketplace. Can you see? So let's scroll down. Just click on add new category. So our category has been added already. So let's scroll here. Can you see the marketplace we just added? Then this is the politics we just added. That is how you can just add your categories, as many as possible. So let's proceed to assign our category to our, that is, we want to add all this to display on our website at the top part. So let's go to appearance, then click on menu. Here we have our header menu that we've already created already. So we want to assign our category to our menu. So let's scroll down. Can you see categories here? Click on it, then you click on view all categories. So this is the categories that I've created already, and this is the marketplace and policies that I just created to show you how I created others. So we just have to select all, since they are all categories that I want to use in this tutorial. So click on add to menu. Can you see it is added to menu? Then click on save menu. Can you see it is saved already? So if you want these politics and sports to show underneath, you can just drag it to the side a bit, then save menu. If you want a drop down to any menu, so you can use those methods. So now let's view our website. Click on visit. Our menu has, our category rather, has already been added to our menu up here. Can you see? This is the news that we want these politics and sports to be under it. Can you see? This is how it will be displayed. So let me show us how we can create our page and add to our menu, like the one at the down part of our website this way. Let me just show you how I created this. So let's go up, then go to appearance on our dashboard. Let's go to appearance. So click on menu, so create on a new menu. We have to create the footer menu because we want our page to appear at our footer menu. So let's say footer menu. Click on footer menu here because we want it to display at our footer menu area. So click on create menu. So click on create menu, then click on save menu. So after that, let's head to pages. Click on add new. We want to add new page to our footer. Because we have to add a new page, then we assign it to our menu. So let's say we want about us, this is it. Just click on publish here, and if you want to write anything on that about us, you can just write it here. Click on update. So let's create another page. Let's say contact us. So let me just write contact us. So if you have any text that you want to write according to how they will contact you, can just write it here. Then click on publish, then you update it. Click on update. So let's proceed to our menu. So let's proceed to our menu. Go to appearance, click on menus. We want to assign these pages we've created to our footer menu. So this is our footer menu. So we want it at footer. Scroll down, click on view all pages. So which one do you want to add to your footer? These are all the pages we have. This privacy policy is always a default at times, I think, and contact us, they are always default, so they come with the theme. So we want to add all those pages, we want to add them to our footer menu. So let's just tick it. Let's click on it, then click on add to menu. Can you see they are already added to menu? Then click on save menu. So let's proceed to view our web. So let's scroll down. Can you see they are all added to our footer menu. So that is all. So let me just teach us how we can add our home as one of the menu that we have here. Let me just add it here. It is quite different from the way we had this menu here. So let's go to our dashboard. We are going to create a custom link for our home menu. So go to appearance, then click on menu, website. So click on dashboard, go to appearance, then go to menus. So select the menu to edit. Can you see it here? So let's select the menu we want to edit. We want to edit header menu, the one we created for the header. So click on select. Can you see it is being selected? So can you see header menu here? Let's scroll down. This is what we have on our header already. This is what we have. This is all the menu we have there. So we want to add a home menu there now. So go to custom link, then input your website URL. So you can then add a link text, which is home. Click on add to menu, then click on save menu. Can you see header menu has been updated? So let's go and refresh our page. Let's go and view our page. Can you see it? The home page is here, but we have to rearrange it. We want the home page to be the number one here. So let's go back and adjust it. Let's go back. Go to appearance, then menus. We want the home page to come forward. So let's just drag it let's drag it. Yes, save menu. So let's view our changes. So can you see the whole page is now, the whole menu is now at the front of. So there's one more thing I would like to show us. Let's go to dashboard. Let's go to our dashboard. So let's go to settings. Let's go back. We have to click on readings. This is settings, then go to readings. Your latest post must be ticked, must be marked. So here, for each post in a feed, include full text. No, we don't want full text, we want except. So let's save changes. The reason why we click accept is that our post, so that it will be minimized for viewers to see, so that it will prompt them to view more about whatever we've posted. Now I would like to explain to us about customization, how we can customize our page. This is where we change our site color, our site title and tagline, or change widgets of course. So let's visit our website. Can you see? Click on customize. So let's scroll down. We are going to site settings. We are going to site identity. Click on it. So here, if you want to change, if you want to input our logo here, let's select logo. I have my logo here already that I've imported. So if you have yours, you can just import it here. We don't know how to import our logo. So let's mark it, then select it. So let's just crop image. Can you see? Can you see our logo is now displayed on our header? Can you see? So let me just explain something. If you want to input a logo in your blog website, you don't have to put a site title, you don't have to put a tagline. So what is a site title? Site title is this learn more, and our tagline will appear here. So if you want to include a logo, you don't have to include a site title or a tagline. So let's just publish it. Let's publish it so that we can view our website, so we'll view our changes too. It is published already. If you want to change your, okay, let me just add the tagline so that we can see it. Let me just write learn or earn with me online. Can you see? So the header text color, if you want to change it, if you want to change it from this color, if you want to change the header text color, you can change it here. Select color, header text color. Let me scroll down. So we want to change it here. Can you see it's changing? Can you change it now? Can you see? Let me just put a color here. That is a code for white color. So let me just scroll down and save changes so that we can view our website. So let me just publish our changes. Let me publish it. Can you see it's published? So let's load our website. Let's see how it looks like. Now let's view it in another tab. Let's view it in another tab. Can you see the background that I changed to white is now white? Can you see? So this is our site title and this is our tagline. So I've said if you don't want to put a logo, you can put your site title and your tagline. For me, I don't need the logo here because the logo is too large, it's occupying more space. So I would rather leave it in my tagline and site title. So let's remove this logo. We want to remove it. I don't need it there, so I would rather use my site title as I said. No, visit sites, go to customize, go to site identity. Let's just remove our logo there. Let's remove logo. It is removed. Can you see? This is our site title and our tagline. Can you see? So scroll down. If you want to increase your site title size, so let's just increase there. It will definitely increase. Can you see? It is increased now and it is bold enough to view. This is site icon. This is the one that appears beside your website URL here, just like this. So let's select site icon. Let me just click on my logo, then click on select, crop image. Let me just crop it. So let me just skip it. So you have to publish it, and let's go back to view our website. Let's view our website now on a new tab. Wow, can you see our changes here? Can you see the site icon has been changed? It has been changed. So let's try and remove this text here, this latest post, and this. We want to remove it from here. Can you see this hello world that is just moving around? They want to delete it from this area. So click on customize. Let's scroll down. So these front page options, click on it. Top tags, these are our top tags. Can you see? I want to off it now. Can you see? It is off. Let me just publish it and go back. This is our latest post, the text written here. The text written here. We want to change it to latest updates. If you want to change it to anything, this is where you change it. Latest update, then you publish it. So let's go back to view our changes. It's still loading. So let's view our page. Can you see latest updates? Can you see? But this one is not yet removed. Let's just go and check what is happening. It's not yet removed. Go to custom to hide it. If you don't want it here, go to your site, go to your front page options, then latest post, enable latest post section. You can uncheck it, then publish. Can you see that it is not more there? That is if you don't want it there, but me, I don't want it there. So let's change this header color. Let's change the header color. It doesn't rhyme to our design. Let's change it. So go to header image, overlay color. Let's scroll down. We want to choose an overlay color. Let me just choose white. Can you see? It looks more beautiful. Just click on publish. So let's proceed in the customization. Can you see this archives here and categories? They are all widgets. They are all widgets. Our widgets are those blogs beside our page. It can be beside it like this, that is sidebars like this, or it can be at the top. It depends on how you place them. So let's just remove this. It is not appropriate here. So how do you go to widgets at your customized area? This front page canvas section, click on it. So can you see the categories here? Can you see it here? We want to remove this. It is not appropriate here. This archives, can you see it up here? Let me just show us. Can you see it? So let's just delete it. Let's just delete it. Click on option. Then scroll down. Click on remove heading. Can you see? Remove these two. Scroll down. Remove archives. It is totally removed, so it remains these categories. So click on it, go to the option, scroll down, remove heading. So click on it. Oh, sorry, let's go back. So select option, remove category list. Can you see? Let's just publish our page. View your website. Wow, so we don't have the archives and categories again. So these are examples of widgets. These are examples of widgets. You can also place adverts at your widget area. Can you see? These are examples of widgets. So you can actually add your own widget here. If you don't want any of this, you can as well delete it. So this search, let me just delete it. Go to your widget. So proceed to sidebar widget area. Can you see all the widgets that we have here? Can you see recent posts? See recent posts here. Let's scroll down. Recent comments. See recent comments here. So this is our search box here. If you want to delete it, go to option, then remove search. Can you see it is removed? We don't have it there again. So click on publish. So we can also add our own preferred widget here. How do we add it? Can you see this plus icon here? Click on it. Can you see? So let's just scroll down. Let's scroll down to widgets. Can you see? If you want to add your preferred on there, so you can just click on, let's use latest news post. Can you see? Can you see the latest news post that we just inputted? So this is how you can add your own too. Can you see? So let me just teach us this. Scroll down. Click on custom HTML. Can you see? So let's just scroll down. Let's scroll down. Can you see it here? So write HTML. Can you write HTML? It is until they send you the code that you just paste it here, then you update it. Now we don't have a short code for our blog. You know, we just created it. But if your blog is qualified, they will surely send you the code so that you can add. So click on publish. Google AdSense is a program that helps to monetize our blog so that we can earn from it online. So another thing is that if someone wants to run an advert on our blog website, you can as well put it here at the sidebar. So how do you put it? Just click on plus. click on plus, then scroll down, click on image. Under media, click on image. Let's just see if it is already added. Can you see it's added there already? So just scroll down, click on this, click on image. So go to media library to update your image. Like the URL the person gave you, that is the person that you want to run an advert for, the person must actually has a link that wants to direct them to has a link that wants to use to direct them to the preferred social media platform. So you just have to write the URL there, then click on select. So can you see it is already added? So under this add caption, what do you want? What will it be the content of the icon? What do you think will prompt the reader to just click on the link so that it will direct them to the website? So can you see this add caption? Just write whatever you want the viewers to see. Just let's write this, where you can make your extra cash online legitimately. Let me just write this for an example, then click on publish. So can you see it's already displayed there? Can you see it's already displayed there? So the person will give you a graphics to put here. I'm just using this as an example, and your text should be under it this way, the way we write it under caption. So let's just click on publish to view our changes. Yeah, this is our site. Let's scroll down to our sidebar. Can you see? If you want to place an advert for someone, this is the exact way to place. Now let's proceed to posting. We want to create a post, then assign the post to its own category. So let's click on post. Let's go to our dashboard. Click on dashboard. So click on post, click on add new. We want to create a post. So let's add new title. Let's say we want to talk about iPhone. Let's talk about iPhone. Let's say latest. This is an example. Latest update on iPhone 14. So just click here. I already copied the text, so let me just paste the text here, then paste the text here, Ctrl V. You can see this is just an example. I just copied the text from somewhere about the iPhone. Can you see? So now click on one part here, click on one part, then enter. We want to add an image. We want to add an image here. We want to add an image here before the person reading it conclude the reading. So let me just cut it from here. Ctrl S. Let me cut it from here. Can you see? Let me just then click on add media. I have my image downloaded already. Let me just drop it here. Can you see? You see this URL? URL. If you want the person to be directed, you can just describe a bit about the phone. Let me just say the phone as higher resolution to images. So this is an example. Can you see the image? So insert into post. Let's insert into post. Can you see it has been inserted to our post? And if you want to adjust it, you can adjust it. You can drag it, you can move it. Can you see align right, align left, align center? Can you see? We want to increase the image size. If you want to increase the image size, this is how it is. Let me just increase it. Can you see? This is just an example. You have to look for a better image. This is just an example for your post. If you want to post in the nature of news, you have to go and look for a better image. Do you understand? So let's just paste the rest of our text there. Let's paste it there. Can you see it? Can you see? Let's load it. This is just how to create a post. So can you see it? So let's just scroll down. We need to add this post. We need to add it to a category. So let's scroll down. Which category is it? Let's just click on, let's scroll down. Let us click on tech. Let us categorize it into tech category. So let's add tags. We can say iPhone users. You can say, okay, we have to separate it with comma. So you can say new phone. This is an example. If it is a news niche that you are into, you can just tag the person's name here, the person that you are referring to in the news. You can just tag it here. Click on add. Can you see it is added? Scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Can you see the way it looks here? Can you see? Scroll down. So here at the lower part of the page, can you see set featured image? This featured image means the image that will show in the face of the viewers before they can click anything. It doesn't matter if it is the same as this, it doesn't matter, it can be anything. So just scroll down, set feature image. This is very important. So if you have any image that I want to set as a feature image, that is, it will show on the interface of users. It's just like a YouTube thumbnail that appears on the face of viewer before they could click on it. So let's just choose this. So set featured image. Can you see it is set already? Click on publish. Scroll down. Click on update. Can you see? there's nothing more we can there's nothing more we want to do here. You choose a category. So let's just view our post. Let's view our website. Wow, can you see? Can you see? This is our latest post. It's in a tech niche, and this is the can you see? Can you see? So can you see our latest post here? It shows there too, and it shows the time too. Can you see? So that is how you add your post. If you want to add anything, go and add it to the niche. So by the time you start doing it one by one, it will fill up this page up. It will fill it up. So let me quickly tell us this. If you are a blogger and you don't have the original copy of the content, maybe someone else has posted it on his or her page before you post it on your page, what you do is that you will have to copy it and paste it at rewritertools.com and click on rewrite. After pasting it there, click on rewrite. Then it will highlight where you need to change. Maybe there's an error message. Just click on it, twist it a bit so that it will look different from the one you copied there. Then go and copy and paste to your post. So that is just how to do it. I think we've come to the end of this tutorial. So I believe we all know how to design a blog website. So thanks for watching.